In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Bitrix24 support efficiently so you can receive assistance with any issues or questions you might have about their platform. Whether you're a new user trying to navigate through the complexities of the software or an experienced user encountering a sudden hiccup, knowing how to reach out for help is crucial. So, let's get started. First off, let me assure you that reaching out to Bitrix24 support is a straightforward process designed to connect you with their help team as quickly as possible. The entire process can be done within your Bitrix24 account, ensuring that you're not jumping between different platforms or waiting endlessly on the phone. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Bitrix24 account. Once you're in, you're going to navigate towards the feed section. This can easily be done by looking for the feed option on your dashboard or in the menu. Clicking on it should take you to a stream of updates and information relevant to your Bitrix24 account and interactions. Here, the layout is designed to make information and features easily accessible, including the support function. Next, while you're on the feed page, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You should see a sidebar labeled BS Support. This sidebar is your gateway to getting the help and support you need. With a simple click on BSS Support, you're one step closer to contacting Bitrix24's dedicated support team. It's made to be visible and accessible from the feed page, so that help is always just a click away. Now, having clicked on BS Support, you're almost there. A chat window will appear, and this is where you'll type in your concern. Whether it's a technical glitch, a billing question, or anything else related to using Bitrix24, this is where you can detail what assistance you need. Be as specific as possible to ensure that the support team can understand the issue fully and provide you with the most effective solution. There's no need to hold back on details. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to help. Typing out your concern sends your message directly to the Bitrix24 support team. Their response time is typically swift, so once your message is sent, you can expect to hear back with guidance or the steps needed to resolve your query. The support channel is monitored closely, ensuring that every user's concern is addressed promptly and accurately. While waiting for a response, you might want to browse through the Bitrix24 knowledge base or community forums. Sometimes the questions or challenges you're facing have been addressed before, and you might find immediate solutions or helpful insights from the user community. This can be a great way to learn more about navigating Bitrix24 efficiently and discovering new features that could benefit your experience. Remember, Bitrix24 support is there to make your journey with their platform as smooth and productive as possible. Whether you're encountering a minor issue or need extensive guidance on utilizing the platform to its fullest potential, don't hesitate to reach out. The support team is well equipped to handle a wide array of concerns, ensuring that you're never left in the lurch. In closing, contacting Bitrix24 support is designed to be a seamless part of your experience with the platform. By following the steps we've outlined today, navigating to the feed, clicking on the BS support sidebar, and typing out your concern, you're making sure that help is always within easy reach. As you continue using Bitrix24, remember that this support function is just one of the many features designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. The Bitrix24 team is always updating and improving their platform, and part of that process involves providing top-notch support to its users. So there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to contact Bitrix24 support directly within the platform. Whether you're running into a snag or just have a question, help is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and here's to a smooth, productive experience with Bitrix24.